Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amo. Today I will show you how I retained my photo quality. This photo I downloaded Facebook and it has low quality and resolution. By using free AI site replicate.com, I was able to retain the photo quality. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. Okay, this is our image as you see before and after. I zoom in and you see the resolution is too low. Okay, the first of all you want to open your browser and go to the site replicate.com. The link of the site here down on the description. Okay, there is input and output, so I have already signed in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for the site. Okay, this is input and output. Here you drag your image over here. Our image will appear, then submit. After submit, wait few seconds, wait for the few seconds. This can take up 1 minute. Here is our output, as you see. Now download it. Our output, as you see, our image increased the resolution. If this helped you, please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.